Let's talk some weather here at home. First Alert meteorologist Nelly Carreño joining us. Nelly, dangerously hot temperatures out there, and we've got these heat warnings now in effect, right?
Exactly. You know, a lot of people say, well, it's August in North Texas. This is not normal heat. Once we get into 106, 107, 108, it's extra dangerous. And that's why we do have this First Alert weather day for tomorrow. Maybe you're asking yourself, well, why tomorrow and not today? In order to get a warning, you need to have 2 consecutive days where you have 105 when it comes to temperature. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of our main concerns, right? Kids in cars when it's this hot. Over the weekend, 3 more children died because they were left in hot cars. One in Kentucky, another one in Connecticut, and another one in Tennessee. There's been 3 kids that have died in cars because they were forgotten in the car, as I mentioned, or maybe they crawled in the car where parents didn't notice. So just be super careful, extra careful in the next couple of days, because once you get temperatures above 100, within minutes inside that hot car, it just goes up to 130, 140 Fahrenheit inside the car. Now, right now we have a heat advisory, and that goes through tomorrow at noon. Also very hot. We're at 104 and at DFW Airport in Dallas, 103 in Fort Worth, over towards Middle Wells, 104. Look at Bonham. That is an actual temperature. That is not the heat index. And that's what we're talking about when we say this is not your usual heat. It's 108. 108. And tomorrow, once again. So please, do not leave your pets outside. Even if they have some shade, it is not good enough. Dogs can also suffer a heat stroke, and please check on the elderly if you know somebody that doesn't have an air conditioner that could be suffering from this heat. That heat warning will go into effect tomorrow at noon, and it goes through 8 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday. And adding to that, we've had 33 consecutive days without rain at DFW Airport. So the vegetation is extremely dry. The only place where maybe we could see a little bit of rain today would be right along the Red River there on the border with Oklahoma. It's a 10% chance for Cook and Grayson and over into areas like Bonham and Paris, Lamar County. And that's due to a frontal boundary that's draped right in that area. The reason you see both colors, it means it's stuck there. There's not a lift, not a lot of moisture. That's a good thing. The heat index is not above the temperature, right? So if it's 108 in Bonham, which it really is, it feels like 108. So we don't have additional heat index points or added to that, degrees added to it. Now you notice the heat danger today is high, and also tomorrow, and in some spots like Denton County and over towards Sulphur Springs, tomorrow it's extreme or very close to extreme, and that's because today, the wind is fairly calm. It's not like last week where we had wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. And so that's the only element that's missing for us to have a higher degree of danger when it comes to fire. In the next few hours, we'll continue to be at 100 or higher until about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So if you're waiting to take the dog out for a walk or take the kids to the park, it won't be until later. And the low won't feel very cool. We're dropping to the low 80s. Tomorrow, we do it all over again, and we peak out, as we mentioned, at 106. The only chance of seeing some rain for all of us will be on Friday, and it's a 10% chance due to that boundary that I just showed you. And you notice here on our 7-day forecast, it's 106, 105, 104, 103. It's just a very rough stretch of hot, dry weather.